I'm sitting inside the 2026 IONIQ 9, which was designed with some incredibly thoughtful features you just don't find on most SUVs, like a sliding center console that comes on the all-wheel drive Performance Limited trim and up. It conveniently slides backwards and forwards, locking into place. Just press the handle and slide back or forward until it clicks. The center console also has wireless device charging on top for easy access. Just place your compatible device on the charging tray. Plus, you'll get clever storage areas inside the armrest and underneath, which you can access from multiple angles. It opens in both the front and the rear, making it accessible for first and second row passengers. It also has a large storage drawer that opens to the rear, so second row passengers have a place to store their things. Just another reason that the first ever IONIQ 9 is a 3-row EV that really has it all.